Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving the machine is eligible. Check CPU model, 64-bit support, 4 GB plus RAM and 64 GB plus disk. Run PC health check for a clear pass/fail. Next, make a full backup and create a Windows 10 recovery USB. Once done, you won't lose data if a step fails. Make sure you know the Microsoft account or product key. These steps prevent wasted time later and let you confidently change firmware settings when the system is ready. You now enter the UEFI/BIOS to enable the essentials, TPM2, 0 and Secure Boot. If the motherboard is in Legacy or CSM mode, switch to UEFI. This is required for Secure Boot and proper drive recognition. Update the motherboard firmware and apply latest chipset and storage drivers from the vendor before proceeding. Once these are active, return to Windows and rerun PC health check. If the tool still fails, double-check TPM ownership and that Secure Boot is using Microsoft keys. You're ready to install. Use the Windows 11 Upgrade Assistant or boot the installation USB for a clean install. Choose whether to keep files or perform a fresh install. Make sure the device is plugged in and online. After installation, install vendor drivers and confirm TPM and Secure Boot remain enabled. If something goes wrong, record the installer error code and attempt an in-place rollback or a clean UEFI install. One key troubleshooting tip. If Secure Boot blocks drivers, temporarily disable it, install drivers, then re-enable Secure Boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.